If WXY is dilated by a scale factor of 5, LMN, the only thing we really have to be careful of is to make sure that our triangles are similar and we've labeled the corresponding parts appropriately. But if this is 8 centimeters, this guy has to be 40 centimeters and it can't be anything else. The top of a bench has a length of 9 feet and a width of 3.5 feet. Nine feet, 3.5 feet, 9 feet, 3.5 feet. The top of the second bench is 7 feet wide. What's the length of the top of the second bench? This is a reading problem where we have to be sure that we label our dimensions correctly. The second bench is 7 feet wide. Then we're looking for this length. And what we see is 3.5 is to 7 as 3.5 is to 7 as 9 is to L. Of course, there are other ways to do it. We could say 3.5 is to 9 as 7 is to L. But let's just continue this way. 3.5 L is equal to 63. So L is going to be equal to 63 divided by 3.5 or 18. Now, what we might also notice is that 3.5 times 2 is 7 feet. So our scale factor is 2, and 9 doubled, 9 times 2 is 18, which is another very simple way to get the same answer. Let's do problem 7. In triangle DAC, EB is parallel to DC. If we have parallel lines, we know we have similar triangles. If AC is 38.5 centimeters, what is the length of AB? Well, AC is 38.5, and we're looking for AB. That's what we're looking for, is AB. And I'm going to call this part we have to find, I'm going to call it X. Well, I know that I have similar triangles, so I can set up a proportion. I am going to say that 18 is to 22.8 as X is to 38.5. The proportion I'm going to use is this side of the baby triangle to this side of the big triangle. is the same as the unknown side of the baby triangle to this side of the big triangle. And when I do cross multiplication, that gives me 22.8x is equal to 18 times 38.5. And that is 693. If I now divide both sides by 22.8, x is going to be 30.4 or 30.39, but the scientists and us will be happier if we say x is approximately 30.4 centimeters. Good.